Welcome to Dynamic Cars, where we bring you the latest and most exciting car reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Honda Life, a compact urban car designed for efficiency, practicality, and modern city living. With a sleek design, advanced technology, and a fuel-efficient powertrain, the Honda Life is a great choice for city dwellers looking for a smart and stylish ride. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Honda Life features a contemporary and minimalist design that maximizes both aesthetics and functionality. The front fascia is clean and modern, with a compact grille and slim LED headlights that give the car a futuristic appeal. The bumper is designed with smooth lines that enhance aerodynamics, helping improve fuel efficiency. The overall shape is slightly boxy, ensuring better interior space while maintaining a small footprint ideal for urban streets. Moving to the side profile, the Honda Life showcases a high roofline and large windows that enhance visibility, making it easier to navigate tight city roads. The compact dimensions make parking effortless, while stylish alloy wheels add a touch of sportiness. The doors have a simple yet modern design, and higher trims come with keyless entry for added convenience. The subtle character lines running along the body give the car a dynamic look, making it stand out among other urban vehicles. At the rear, the Honda Life keeps things simple yet functional. LED taillights are positioned vertically for a sleek look, and the tailgate is designed for easy access to the cargo area. The rear bumper is slightly raised, improving ground clearance without affecting stability. A small roof spoiler adds a sporty touch, while also improving aerodynamics. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Life is powered by a fuel-efficient 1.0-liter three-cylinder engine, delivering around 75 horsepower. This may not be a high-performance powerhouse, but it's perfect for city driving, offering excellent fuel economy and low emissions. The CVT transmission ensures smooth acceleration and effortless handling in stop-and-go traffic. Honda has also introduced an electric variant with a range of approximately 200 miles, catering to eco-conscious drivers looking for a sustainable urban mobility solution. Inside, the Honda Life maximizes space and practicality. The dashboard features a clean layout with a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The high seating position offers great visibility, and the well-designed cabin provides ample headroom and legroom for a compact car. The rear seats can be folded down to increase cargo space, making it a versatile choice for city life. That's it for today's review on Dynamic Cars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Honda Life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.